हाय गाइस, सो दिस इज वन ऑफ योर एग्जाम क्वेश्चन एंड दिस इज अ मिक्सर बेस्ड क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, तो आज हम लोग सीखेंगे हाउ टू सॉल्व दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन विथ शॉर्ट ट्रिक. सो व्हाट इज दैट शॉर्ट ट्रिक? यू कैन सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन विद इन सेकंड. So that technique is very important and this question is a very good question and this is the common question for your upcoming exam. Okay, so if I talk about the question, so question is very simple and we can use the alligation method which will help to solve the question quickly. तो alligation क्या है मैं आपको बता दूं. Two mixture contains spirit and water in the first vessel. The ratio of spirit and water in the ratio is given 8:3. Okay, so suppose this is your first vessel where spirit is to water is given 8:3. In the second vessel the ratio of same spirit and water is 5:1. Okay, so this is a spirit and this is water, this is a spirit, this is water, this is a spirit and this is water. Okay, a 70-liter cask is filled from these vessel to maintain the mixture to spirit and water in the final ratio is given also, that is 4:1. So suppose this is 4:1 in the final. Okay, so this is a spirit and this is water. So we have three quantity and all of you know, अगर हम दो को मिक्स करके एक फाइनल रिजल्टेंट क्वांटिटी बनाते हैं देन वी कैन यूज द मिक्सर एलिगेशन मेथड. सो मेथड इज वेरी वेरी इजी. सो सपोज आई एम गोइंग टू टेक द quantity of spirit, so we can write the quantity of spirit is 8/11 because this is the arrow method, that is the theory of alligation. So this is 8/11, that is the quantity of spirit. Similar from the second vessel we can take the spirit quantity, that is 5/5 plus 1, this is 5/6 and the resultant is what? Resultant of spirit is 4/4 plus 1. So the quantity of spirit in this mixture is 4/4 plus 1, that is 4/5. You can also write 80% if you know. If you don't have idea then simple, you can subtract and the theory is very simple. This is mean, this is cheaper or dearer, means one side अगर आप एक छोटा quantity रखोगे, एक side आप बड़ा quantity रखोगे, but you can shuffle both. ठीक है, we can switch this into this, कुछ भी कर सकते हो, but answer will be same, don't worry. Okay, so if you subtract this minus this minus this, the value will come after your calculation, that will be 1/30. Suppose 5/6 minus 4/5, so you will get, because I know this value percentage, that is 83.33. if you know, that will be simple. If you don't have idea then you can go with your traditional method, that is the time consuming method. Okay, and this value is basically will become 4/55. Okay, so after the calculation of these two ratio you will get the final quantity is 11:24. So 11 is this quantity and for this quantity ratio is 24. But what is the total quantity in that cask, that vessel? That is 70 liter. So if 70 liter, so this value, the sum of these two is equal to 70. It means very simple, 35 का value, 35 का value is equal to 70, तो 1 का value is equal to 2. If 1 का value is equal to 2, what is your question? Question is very simple. How many liters are taken from the first vessel? So this is your first and this is your second as per the data. So simple, the value of what? 11. So the trick behind this question is very simple. The answer should be multiple of 11. The answer should be multiple of 11 after the calculation. So you can go through the option, that will be the best thing. If two options will match, मान लो suppose करो there are the two multiple of 11, then we can solve. But better we can go through the option ना, तो 11 का multiple means 11 twos are, that is equal to, because 1 is equal to 2, so definitely the value of 11 is equal to 22. So answer of this particular question is Bombay B. So B is the correct answer of this question. So this method will be very useful. If you go with the traditional method, that will take too much time. So this is, I think, 30-second process, but your calculation should be fast here. If you don't have idea how to calculate this value, then it will create a problem. Okay, so this is all about the technique behind this question. Similar type of technique you can watch my short trick session. Thank you guys.